Hello friends, Learn Beyond Vision is a certification course on low vision and rehabilitation. It prepares the ophthalmic care professional for clinical practice in low vision. The number of persons with low vision is increasing due to increase in aging population with eye conditions such as macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy and glaucoma. In advanced cases of macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy and glaucoma, the last thing the patient wants to hear is that there is nothing more that can improve his vision. In low vision clinic, functional difficulties are assessed and patients receive education about strategies that can be used to maximize their remaining vision. LBA is an important tool for holistic care of patients with low vision. As ophthalmic service providers, we need to know about the low vision aids and resources to help instill confidence in these patients. The current utilization of LBA is very low. Only 5 to 10% access these services. Rehabilitation benefits up to about 90% of these patients. Lack of access to low vision rehabilitation services causes negative implication on the quality of life. A patient with glaucoma is not interested in the IOP or the visual field but the quality of life. Low vision aid serves as an important part of ophthalmic care and helps the patient to function better and lead higher quality lives. Thank you.
Hello everybody. I have come to know that two big educators in optometry, the woman force, Ms. Monica Chowdhury and Anita Arvind, have come together to bring you educational initiatives through the label of Learn Beyond Vision, LBV. A big congratulations to both of them. Both of them are great educators when it comes to optometry. I'm also very happy because it's through two women entrepreneurs who have come together. So really a big congratulations to both of them. And I would encourage all of you to join this program and benefit by the education that they provide, especially for low vision aids, as there are not many practitioners when it comes to low vision and it's an untapped market. Thank you.
Hi, I would like to congratulate Monica and Anita for launching a great initiative on LBV platform and wish them all the success and urge all optometrists to take advantage of this platform. I would sincerely request every one of you to join this and take initiative in setting up your low vision and low vision rehabilitation practices, because that is the way forward for optometry to get involved in public health and help people in need who need low vision corrections, who need your consultations on rehabilitations. And I believe this platform will go a long way in providing all the help you need in setting up your low vision practices. Thank you.
Good luck, Professor Monica and Dr. Anita, on your new startup, Learn Beyond Vision. Every dreamer is not a doer, and every doer is not a dream. But you both, as a combination, is indeed a deadly combination. I have good wishes and all my support to you and to your new venture. I, on behalf of my own self and on behalf of Optitech Eye Care, wish you all the very best. Congratulations and be a great success.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kuldeep Raizata. I am based in Hyderabad and right now I am having my practice in Hyderabad city. Along with that, I also have my industry where I do manufacture, import and export a lot of ophthalmic devices. My expertise is ophthalmic prosthetics, but my passion towards make in India product a cost-effective solution to everybody. I am very happy that Professor Monica have come to initiative where she like to help the optometrists, optometric institutions, giving a support to provide them the quality of education. My wishes for her, wish her all the best.
Hello everybody, this is Prema from Lotus College of Optometry, and on behalf of the Sri Naval P. Baliwala Center for Vision Rehabilitation, I must first congratulate Monica and Anita on this fantastic initiative. I think training practitioners and young graduates on delivering low vision care services is extremely important. I personally think it's important for optometrists because this is one area which is a core specialty for us. We begin work when ophthalmologists say they can't do anything for patients, and we can show them that we can really make a difference in their lives. In private practice, I believe it's truly a practice builder. It's a myth that you cannot get any financial compensation when you render low vision services. I think you may not get from the patient for the time you spend, for the chair time you provide, but I think it's important because the entire family and their friend circles start trusting you because they know you can do something for them which many people are not able to resolve their issues or solve their visual needs. So I think that's where the practice building opportunity begins.